Welcome to a journey through some of the world's most luxurious gourmet kitchens, where state-of-the-art appliances meet sophisticated design. These kitchens are built for both cooking enthusiasts and luxury homeowners, combining the latest technology with sleek aesthetics to create the ultimate culinary space. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just someone who loves the art of cooking, these kitchens redefine what it means to cook in style. First, let's explore a New York City penthouse with an open-plan gourmet kitchen that boasts cutting-edge appliances. Featuring a Viking stove, a Sub-Zero refrigerator, and a Wolf range, every appliance is designed for the serious cook. The marble countertops and sleek black cabinetry provide the perfect backdrop to these high-tech tools. While a wine fridge and hidden coffee station add a touch of luxury, next, in Los Angeles, we find a kitchen that redefines sophistication. This gourmet kitchen is equipped with smart appliances from Miller & Bosch, ensuring cooking is efficient and effortless. The double ovens and induction cooktops are paired with a Quartz island and smart lighting, allowing the chef to control everything with just a tap on the screen. The spacious design is perfect for both cooking and entertaining. In a Dubai mansion, this kitchen is the epitome of opulence. With marble floors, a Gargano double oven, and Gargano's built-in fridge, every detail has been carefully crafted for the ultimate culinary experience. The Italian imported cabinets create a sleek, minimalist space, while the stainless steel countertops gleam under the custom LED lighting. Let's move to a luxurious kitchen in Paris, where the space has been designed with both style and function in mind. Equipped with Le Cornu stoves and Viking ranges, this kitchen is ideal for anyone who loves to cook. The handcrafted cabinetry and white marble countertops provide a touch of elegance, while the wine fridge and refrigerated drawers ensure everything